Welcome. Our problem today is evaluating an IT help desk. We need to find out if two staff members can handle the incoming ticket volume or if customers are waiting too long. To solve this, we will build a simulation. First, open AnyLogic and locate your process modeling library. Drag a source, service, and sync block onto your canvas. Connect them in a straight line to represent the flow of tickets. Click the source block. Set the incoming ticket arrival rate to zero point 0.3 per minute. That is, on average, one new support ticket arrives every 1 minute. Drag a resource pool block onto the canvas to represent our IT staff. Set its capacity to 2. Click the service block. Set the resolution time using a triangular distribution. Minimum 0.5, mode 1.5, and maximum 2 minutes. Link to resource pool, which means tickets take at least 30 seconds, usually 1.5 minutes, and at most 2 minutes to resolve. To track frustrated users, under Advanced section, set the queue timeout to 100 seconds. Draw a line from the timeout port to a second sync block. Run the model to find our solution. Look at the data. If staff utilization is over 85%, or if any tickets reach the timeout sync, the solution is to hire a third staff member.